Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I'm super excited about this one. This one is going to be about couponing. So if you've never done it, or if you have and you just want to see what I'm talking about, keep on watching. All right, you guys, so today was a huge gain deal. Normally on Saturdays it is Dollar General's a 5 off of 25 deal. But they also, of course, normally have the 5 off of 25 or 5 off of 30 gain deal as well. So today they had, of course, the 5 off of 25. Now the 5 off of 30 is normally a month-long coupon. You can only use it once per account. And then they normally run some deals, and they normally, run some gain deals each month. And it's normally a pretty good deal that you can get on gain at any given time at Dollar General. But this week they had some high value coupons, a lot of high value coupons. So it was just a good week to go out and go to Dollar General and make my run. And it was perfect timing because I had just run out of my favorite gain liquid. So let me share my little secrets with you guys, I guess. No, it's not many secrets, but I do kind of want to help people out if they do decide that they want to coupon. I've gotten to the point where I've decided that I'm just going to do digital couponing. So it's like, if I get some paper coupons, I'll use them, which I do most times get coupons in the mail every Tuesday. But in my area, they do not, we don't get the gain coupons. We don't get the Tide coupons. So if I'm doing gain or Tide, it's normally going to be with the digital coupons. So, and that's what I did here. This was an all digital coupon. And if you don't have the Dollar General app, definitely download it. You can also go to dollargeneral.com if you don't have, or if you don't want to download the app. I don't want to say if you don't have a phone, because most people have a phone. But if you don't, you can go to the Dollar General website and you'll be able to add those coupons to your account. So what I did was I added the $2 off of one gain flings, and now that's 13 to 25 count, I believe, or 13 to 35 count that you can use these on. And now the 35 count is going to be your $6.95, and then your 14 count, which is the one that I got, is going to be your $5. And now they're on sale this week for $3.95, so that's what makes it an even better deal, or even sweeter deal. So what I did was I picked up one of the I picked up two of the gain flings in this one, the 14 count, and then I picked up one of the gain fling 51 count. I picked up a gain liquid, which is the 25 load. I believe that's 40 fluid ounces. And I picked up two of these Febreze wax melts. Now what you want to do is, if you're going to get anything like a Febreze wax melts or the Febreze car air fresheners that you put on the vent, you're going to want to make sure that they are gain scented, because that's what's going to go towards your 5 off of 30 coupon that you have on your account. So for me, I did the gain melts. I did the Febreze melts, made sure they were gain scented, and then of course the other gain products that you see there. So what I did was I rank up everything. And I've heard on a number of different videos, I'm not sure, I cannot remember how I handed the cashier the stuff, but they say that you want to give the cashier the gain liquid first and then the gain flings 14 count, because there's a coupon that's attaching, or the liquid coupon is also attaching to the flings. So if you give them the flings first, that liquid coupon is going to attach to this, and then you're not going to have a coupon to attach to your liquid, which is going to make your final cost $2 more, and that's not what you want. We're trying to get the lowest out of pocket possible and go about our day. So in this case, I honestly don't remember if I handed her the liquid first or not. So we're just going to say hand them the liquid first, just to kind of save you some trouble and make sure that your transaction goes as it should. Now, some stores are different. I've heard some people this weekend say that both $5 coupons didn't attach to their transaction. So it could be that they're not both attaching, or it could be that they had the wrong product or wrong scent. What I'd like to do, and this is where the app comes in handy. So if you don't have the app, or you don't want to download the app, it's going to be a little hard. But if you have the app, you're going to want to scan each product as you're picking it up. Make sure that it's attaching to whatever $2 coupon that you have, as well as that 5 off of 30. Because if it's not attaching to the 5 off of 30, then that amount is not going to go towards your final cost. Or it is going to go towards your final cost, of course, but it's not going to go towards the $30 that you have to have in order to get that extra $5 off. So just scan it. It takes 2 seconds, literally. I mean, as you're picking it up on the way inside the cart, just scan it. And for me, that's what I did on this transaction. I did do 2 transactions, 2 different stores, but on this one, I let her ring everything up, went on about my day. My coupons came off like they were supposed to, and my transaction was $2 more. I was like, hey, it's a deal. I'm not complaining. You know, I still saved $20. I'm going to go about my day. As soon as I got in the car, I realized what I did wrong. In this transaction, you see that I have 3 game flings, the 51 count and 2 of the 14 count. What I should have gotten was one of these, which I did get in my second transaction, is the fireworks. I wrote down my list. I had everything planned out. When I went in that store, I don't know what I was thinking. I was trying to move fast and I picked up the wrong thing. So I paid $2 more on this first transaction, coming out to $11.35. Plus tax, of course, but we don't talk about tax. Tax is different in every city, is different in every state. So we're just going to talk about the out-of-pocket cost, which for me in this transaction was $11.35. And here's my receipt. So if you look at this, you can see everything rang up as it was supposed to. All of the coupons came off except for, let's see, this one right here, Game Flings Moonlight. You can see that the $2 coupon did not come off for it. And again, this was my error, not the stores. I mean, the stores, all of the digital coupons came off like they were supposed to. I picked up the wrong item, so I paid $2 more in this case, which is fine because your girl was out of gain, okay? So I needed to get what I needed to get. But like I said, $11.35, total savings of $20. You can't be mad at that at all. I paid in cash. I like to pay in cash. It just keeps me on track and makes sure I spend what I'm supposed to spend. I don't go over, because if I have my debit card, your girl is going to spend more than she needs to spend. So total was $11.35. And I didn't do the math on this one. So I'll do the math and put it on the screen and let you know exactly how much per item that is. But hey, $20 savings. I say you can't beat that. I mean, you can beat that because clearly I did on the next transaction. But in this case, if you don't have any coupons at all, you can't beat that. So here it is. So I wanted to just give you a closer look here. So you can see all the coupons came off as expected. Those like 45-cent ones, those are going to be your $5 off coupons, both of them. And then they do it in increments on every item. So you won't see $5. You'll see them in increments as you do here. And then again, it came out to $11.35. And then that's a $20 savings. Now here's my second transaction. Again, I bought exactly the same stuff, except for I got the gang fireworks. And of course that saved me $2 more. So I'm just gonna show you the receipt since I've kind of went over everything already with you in the beginning. Show you my receipt and my savings, and then I have one more very small transaction to show you, and I'll be done. Here's the second receipt. It has everything on there. It has your flings at the top for $13.50. It has your, oh, let's focus. It has your fireworks for $3.95. It has your wax melts, $3 each. The liquid, $3.95, and then your flings for $3.95 as well. $2 coming off of each of them. The Febreze had a $3 off of 2 coupon, and then the 51 count of flings had a $3 off coupon. The $5 off of 25 came off. The $5 off of 30 came off, leaving my total to be $9.35 with a $22 savings. So that's what makes the difference for me getting the flings on the last transaction and the fireworks on this one, is that $2 coupon came off for the fireworks. And again, a $22 savings. So it's a win for sure. All right, you guys, so this is my last transaction. I absolutely needed tissue and I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money. I knew that I had $5 in points at Walgreens, and I knew that they had the Scott tissue, which is one of my favorites, for just $5. So I was like, I'll go in there, get the $5 tissue, use my $5 in points, and just pay the tax. Well, come to find out, the Scott tissue was actually $4. So I was able to get the tissue for just $4, use $4 in points, and pay the tax. Which, here the tax is 34 cents. And so I just paid 34 cents. But let's be real, I got free tissue. So here's the receipt. And as you can see, tissue rang up for $4. Well, it actually rang up for $5. When I put my phone number in, I got the deal, took $1 off, leaving it at $4. And I used $4 in points, making it just 34 cents. And so that's my last transaction, guys. I appreciate you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications, so hit that bell and say that you want notifications for all of my videos so that you're notified whenever I post. Thanks so much for watching again. Have a great day. Bye, guys.